Oh, hey there, fellow Mixels. We're gonna play Slingshot! Yeah! And while we play that, we're gonna draw the fusion of lunk and balk. Let's get started. Take you out of the way. Now getting started. We start with the first eye. Alexa, play Hero by Chad Kroeger.
Hero by Chad Kroeger, featuring Josie Scott on Amazon Music.
Here we go.
I am so high, I can hear heaven. I'm so high, I can hear heaven. Over heaven.
I don't know why he has those white spots on his upper half. Those false teeth.
And they say that a hero can save us. I'm not gonna stand here and wait. I'll hold on to the wings of the eagles. Watch as we all fly away. Someone told me love would all save us.
His neck.
But how can that be? Look what love gave us.
Now we draw the upper half here.
A world full of
We draw the torso.
and blood spilling, that world never came. And they say that a hero can save us. I'm not gonna stand here and wait. I'll hold on to the wings of the eagles. Watch as we all fly away.
And here's a question for you. How is the fusion able to bend those gigantic arms?
Now that the world has an ending, it's love
Can't even
that I'm sending to you.
move them. Unless those aren't his arms, they are his.
It isn't the love of a
They are his,
hero. That's why I fear it won't do.
Those are his horns.
And they say that a hero can save us. I'm not gonna stand here and wait. I'll hold on to the wings of the eagles. Watch as we all
Alexa,
fly away.
what is the Roosevelt Field Mall?
Here's something I found on the web. According to quiznews.com, Saturday at the Roosevelt Field Mall in Garden City. Did that answer your question?
No.
Thanks for your feedback.
Alexa, what is the Roosevelt Field Mall?
According to Wikipedia, Roosevelt Field is a shopping mall in Garden City, New York, and Uniondale, New York. It was designed by I.M. Pei and is the largest shopping mall on Long Island, in the state of New York, and the 8th largest shopping mall in the United States. It is managed by Simon Property Group.
I love that place. Alexa, play Laugh Like a Warrior.
Laugh Like a Warrior by Matisyahu on Amazon Music.
Feel like the world don't love you. They only wanna push you away. Some days
and finish. That's how you draw the fusion of balk and lunk. Want to join us? Well, mix! I already did that. Consider this mission complete. Now guys, how about we play a game of Slingshot? Thank you! Yeah! That's all for now. Please like and rock and subscribe to my channel. Be on the lookout for more mixed souls coming soon. Stegosaurus, see you later. See you later, Master Designers!